Gaurav Mantri is a CA and is part of 4CA firm. His firm serves over 200 clients who will need to be GST compliant soon. Gaurav has multiple problems. Majority of his small clients give information in physical bills and registers. Some of his clients use accounting packages that require updating towards GST. Gaurav is unsure how he will collect the data and process GST returns on monthly basis. Gaurav is extremely worried as how he would cope up with the reconciliation issues with 200 clients and make corrections within 5 days. Gaurav came to know about UGST billing application offered by Udyog Software. Gaurav was pleasantly surprised and visibly happy to find that UGST billing application addresses all his requirements. A CA firm app that helps CAs to upload transactions for their clients. The CA firm can offer small business app that can be used even by an untrained user to enter purchase transactions and sales invoices. Seamless connectivity between the CA firm app and small business app. Worried about internet connectivity? No problem. Billing can be done without internet connectivity and data can be uploaded whenever the connection is available. UGST billing comes with features to process sales, purchases, stock quantitative details, receipts, payments, advance payments, reverse charge mechanism, credit and debit notes, simple POS screen, and all that's required for effective GST compliant billing. Join Gaurav Mantri and thousands of CAs to pre-order UGST billing at udyogsoftware.com.